Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR. Yeah, finally I tested the new Kawasaki ZX-4RR, and yeah, the launch was not so easy. You have to rev up very high at the launch, because yeah, it seems like it's massively restricting the power until 8000 RPM. So it seems like an extra restriction until about 6 to 8000 RPM. So yeah, you had to rev up very high, and it was not so easy, but finally it worked pretty good. 4.5 seconds, 0 to 100 is not so bad, I would say. But I don't have any comparison to other bikes, because in this class this is the only one in this class of 400cc 4-cylinder bikes. But yeah, it was nice. So have fun and ride safe.